What's on the menu?
Cuali de Camarón. You got the tostada, roasted jalapeno from Veracruz, shrimp, avocado slice, chili oil, and pico.
So give us a rundown.
First thing is we're gonna get that garlic, put it in vegetable oil, because you gotta get the chili oil going. Once the garlic starts to caramelize, put all that chili in there. There's 9 chilies in that oil.
Guajillo chile going in.
The chiltepín.
I've never heard of that before.
It's chiquito pero picoso, a little bit hot.
Smells fantastic. The pasilla, bay leaf, cinnamon, mustard, salt, black pepper, juniper, allspice.
Yep, you got it right.
And a little habanero.
And then you're gonna just let it steep.
Look at the cheese.
That's from Oaxaca. It's called quesillo, Mexican string cheese.
I gotta feed these guys before they start eating an arm.
Good stuff right here.
It's got a little tang, it's got a little salt.
Just looking at this chili oil, it's gonna be hot.
Don't forget to add that olive oil and the piloncillo sugar. Did you get that in there?
That
Piloncillo, yeah, that's a Mexican cone sugar.
is the cone sugar, okay.
Turn off the flame before you put that booze in there, because it's gonna do a Mexican hat dance.
So this is mezcal.
Also from Oaxaca.
Watch your eyebrows.
There we go.
Nice.
And then you're just gonna blend them all.
What can we do next, chef?
Mix your string cheese, goat cheese, shallot, and garlic mix. Little salt, little pepper.
Watch that, guys. Start it on low, 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 because when it's hot, it expands when you blend it.
Safety first, guys.
Oh, yeah, that's what we are here at the Fieri house.
I'm waiting for it. He's gonna be wearing it.
Now I've got some roasted jalapenos.
I used oak wood on those peppers.
Stuff this bountifully,
Like what you want to put in your mouth, buddy.
but I'm looking pretty good there, right?
Yep, that's about right.
I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven, 350 degrees,
Correct.
just till the cheese really starts to melt. Walk me through the shrimp, chef.
I'm gonna fess up. Here's your spice mix for that shrimp.
Aha! We got spices. What do you need?
Paprika, a little salt and pepper, pan-seared, get a little color on it. Garlic.
Jalapenos.
Woo.
When's the longaniza going in?
Just take a little piece and cook it off real fast.
What is it?
Longaniza is always pork. It's usually the same flavor, but a lot less grease than a chorizo.
How are we plating this up?
So you got the tostada, put the pepper on it, shrimp, a little bit of cream,
What's in the crema?
heavy cream, and a lot more buttermilk than you normally would to make a cream.
We got that.
Pico and avocado slice.
Longaniza on top.
Is there any longaniza left, or did Guy eat it all?
Like this? I've only done that 1,000 times.
And then the chili oil.
Ryder, just get a shot of how beautiful that is.
Hunch over.
There's the hunch.
Oh my gosh.
The jalapeno by itself is delicious. Nice and roasted, mild.
Got cheese in there.
Great shrimp, which Jules cooked perfectly. Real tangy crema, but the chili oil brings it all together. So you get the crunch, the cream, the heat, the chile, the snap of the shrimp. I mean, it is out of bounds.